Alright guys, we're starting off the day today. We are going to be throwing on a mid-pipe when it gets here. It's still not here yet. It's around 12 o'clock. Said to be here between 12 and 4. We're going to go ahead, head to the gas station, and go from there. Hopefully by the time I get gas and come back, the mid-pipe will be here. Actually, real quick, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like now without the mid-pipe. So pretty loud still. It's gonna be a lot louder with the mid-pipe. Right now we just have catless downpipes in there. So catless downpipe stock, mid-pipe stock, axle back. But like when you cruise around town in comfort mode, it's actually really quiet. Not too loud. I'm not the biggest fan of having the loudest car ever, so like in town I pretty much just cruise in comfort mode until I'm, gonna go to Mexico and race. Alright, let's go get some gas though real quick. Alright, shit. Don't get me wrong, I love using E85, but having to go way the hell out every single time to find a good E at that is sometimes does suck, I'm not gonna lie. E85 calculator says we need 6.5 gallons, so pretty much there. There we go. We went over a little bit, whatever. Oh, would you look at that, baby? Package was delivered. Let's go home and grab the mid-pipe. The E hasn't fully mixed it, so right now it's reading like E66. So we gotta let this settle. Hopefully we got it right. We are home. Here's the box. I don't know why I was expecting this to be in a way bigger box. Oh man, that is nasty, bro. Hopefully the titanium's good. That thing was not kissed and loved at UPS. All right, let's unbox this thing. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, baby. This is titanium right here. Everyone's got a single mid-pipe, but how many people got the single titanium mid-pipe? It's a waste of money, bro. Why would you ever get that? Weight savings, alright? Bro, this is Hey, try to film over here. This is crazy. I get made fun of riding bikes by buying titanium parts, and now I do the same thing in cars. Let's see if there's any defects, bro. This is a trip. This is so light. What do you think, Bosco? What do you think? Pretty sick? He's like, nah. Finally got a hold of Hugo. Came to pick him up real quick. Shit, it's Chendo too? Fuck, dude. The whole squad's out or what? What?
You vlogging?
Oh yeah, dude.
You're outside today, huh?
Oh yeah, dude. I got the titanium mid-pipe in the trunk, dude. I gotta vlog it.
Ready to go install these or what?
Oh yeah, dude. We got Big Drew do it because I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah, me either, brother.
Shit,
so
we gotta cut too.
Oh shit.
We gotta cut the old one out.
No way.
Yeah, we gotta.
Commitment.
I know, so no turning around. You got a mid-pipe?
No,
Not yet? Any no downpipes?
Nothing yet.
Oh, bro, we gotta get you on some downpipes.
Okay.
Damn.
Tell me how to do this stuff to your shit, brother.
Yeah! You ready for it? No, this is all from you. I wanna give a huge shout out to my sponsor, Filming Hugo.
I mean, brother,
I'm on the team now, so ever since I've been on the team.
It's been one day.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's what happens when you're on the team?
For one day, dude.
1 day in,
And we got dental, health, all everything.
Bro, this is fire.
This is light too.
Yeah, that's just sick. I can't wait to hear it. That's gonna sound better too.
You ready to go take this to Drew? We're rolling deep right now. We got Hugo, and we got Chendo back there, dude. Órale, güey, Super 7. Look at this guy, bro. God damn, what about Chendo? Alright, dude. We're at the shop now. Big Drew taking over because I can't park worth the shit. Right. He's advanced, dude. He's got a lift. I've never been on a lift before. I ain't got that type of money, bro. It's Big Drew. Drew wasn't expecting like 100 cameras on him today. Drew's like got a camera everywhere, every angle. The truth in the back. I even brought a scale too. Scale? Yeah, I can weigh the mid-pipe before and after. We got it all right here. Huh?
You need a thumbnail. Get in the front right here so he can take a picture of you like this.
The car jacked up, and then like have like the mid-pipe on the thumbnail, and then be all like Jay Schnatter, and have the green field background.
So you want to be the Mexican
like
Jay Schnatter? You want to be the Mexican
What's that
Jay
one guy?
Schnatter?
You know what I'm talking about? His name's like Derek or something. He has a G82.
Yeah,
He's always like Home Alone.
That's what you legit need to do.
I know, dude. They love that. They love those thumbnails where everyone's just like, all the kids are like, He's so excited. I gotta watch that too. I'm excited.
Anyways, chat. BM Mexican is back.
That's
So now he's
sick.
BMW Mexican.
I'm the GM Mexican, bro.
GM Mexican. Oh, that's gonna look sick. It's gonna sound fire, bro.
I know. He's 0 pounds. 0 pounds, 0 ounces.
Bro,
It's light, huh?
there ain't no way.
The bracket's heavier. Let's see. What do I weigh right now? What do you think I weigh? 130. He said. He said
Nah,
130.
162.
No, not 162.
145.
145. All right. You guys are both about to be wrong.
145.
152 flat.
52.
Flat, bro. I'm little. How much you go weigh?
Bro, I don't even want to get. You guys got a scale out? No way, bro.
83.
I don't even want to get on that much.
Hey, you ate the whole pizza, bro. That's why. Chenda's like.
I don't even want to get on. I'll get
Chenda's
on.
like, what you guys?
God damn.
Wait.
It's just gas.
180.
Bro.
190.
238.
Alright, so check it out. I'm gonna hold everything and step on the scale. Shit, we're about to drop it all.
No way. Don't drop it.
Give me this. Okay, when I weigh how much did I weigh? 152? So,
Yeah,
like 13.4 pounds.
That is insane.
That's crazy.
13.4.
That's wild. 13. Oh wait, we gotta weigh one more thing. My bad. 13 plus whatever this weighs. Probably like 2 pounds. Bro, literally 2 pounds. So 15 for everything, bro. 15 for everything,
Damn.
including the braces, not just the mid-pipe. This is plus the brace. All right, we're about to call somebody. We're about to call another YouTuber, the most famous YouTuber that I've met to this day.
Let's see if he answers.
He ain't gonna answer, bro. He's retired. This guy. Oh, damn. He just got done with work.
Yes,
Hey.
sir. What's cracking?
We're out here throwing on some parts,
We
dude.
got a race for you.
Oh, let's do it.
30 roll, 30 roll.
Kickflip.
Hey, he wants to do a 30 roll. He said
20 roll.
30 roll right now.
19 roll. Jelly roll.
He said
The
no.
parts are going down on the G82.
He said for real 35 or 40 roll.
40 rolls, dude, 40 roll.
I'm like a 50, but I'll whatever.
I was like, give me a fighting chance, bro, because you'll kill me.
First do a whatever he says, and then we'll do a whatever you say.
Okay.
40 and a 50.
Yeah, both is fine.
Yeah, okay. He's gonna gap me.
Alright.
Nigga, it's slow, I ain't nigga. Easy bands. Love. I ain't gon' never fall. I went down, I ain't never tall. Didn't have my mama half my life, and pops was always gone. Do this for the bros, throwing up the 6 after they thought of fall. If you don't know about me, shit, you better ask your bros. You still riding in that scat pack, bitch, we riding foreign. Always making moves, getting money, my life never boring. Run up on me, thick as shit, sweet, I'm gon' leave you snoring. Let the bros, you know how it goes, they rockin', I'm rollin'. I'm in love with the bag, I always feed for more. Brother telling me they love me, tell them that I love them more. Cause tomorrow never promised, so I keep a paw. I'm tryna touch 100 mil, and then a couple more. So I can take care of the fam and move them out the know. Niggas been hating on the kid, acting like some hoes. We're number one, don't have to pause if you ain't finna blow. Sippin' on this drink, count choke, bitch, I'm in my mode. I'm out here lining niggas up, I ain't talking about tapers. Bitch, stop blowing up my phone if it ain't about paper. Blood from PR, sending in bowls, you know we got flavors. Boy, I got act with the Glock, I don't need me a laser. Money coming in from out of state, feel like exotic paper. She gon' bust it down on the nigga, I ain't gotta make her. Young saucy, slip about my business, ballin' like the Lakers, putting bullets in his body. It looking like some. I ain't gon' never fall. I went down, I ain't never tall. Didn't have my
Load it in.
I'll load you in.
No way, bro. That thing is heavy, bro.
Alright, pull it through.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
And we're outside, chat. The boy's car sounds so good.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is a brand new day. It's time to go get some sound clips, some real sound clips. I didn't get any last night. Ended up just going home, eating, and crashing out. But let's see. It's trying to piss off the neighbors with the true cold start. I don't think my car actually opens up or starts up with the remote start with the valves open, so I don't know. Shit, it just pulled up to F80 land. F80, F82, bro. Man, you guys need to go watch Hugo's channel, man. You need to go watch his most recent video and drop a like, because let me tell you why. This man needs a new lip. And this video gets 8 likes. No, I'm kidding. It'll show up tomorrow. It'll show up tomorrow if it gets 8 likes.
Tomorrow if it gets 8 likes.
When is the new lip? When is the new lip?
It's on the way. We're just waiting for it to get here.
Oh, okay.
So it's coming soon.
Alright, we're gonna open the valve.
Yeah, there's. Let's open the valves. They're open.
Was that fun?
Oh.
Bro, you know a car's got power when all-wheel drive starts to fucking spin a little bit.
Felipe. There's no way, bro.
Alright, we just got to the top secret location. After doing some little baby pulls with Hugo, we just gave it a little something.
Bro, that's just scary.
We're out here. I want to get some sound tests. I'm gonna hand it over to Hugo real quick.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna rev this. I don't got the most aggressive verbal tunes. You're not gonna hear that much verbals, but you're gonna hear like that deep noise.
All right, Chad, we're out here. I want to hear this. Oh my God,
Something, huh?
bro! That shit
Yeah,
is
bro.
insane, brother.
That's catless downpipes and titanium midpipe and stock airbox, bro. 700 like 10, 720 wheel gets you a 5-second 6.3. You don't even need the intakes, bro. Unless you want the Eventuri ones, the titanium one or the carbon one, go for it. But like stock airboxes, bro, I'm telling you, drop-in filters, you're solid, bro. And you get a look. Pop my hood, check my hood,
Boy legit has a sleeper.
bro. OEM, bro.
Oh yeah,
OEM 5-second car, dude.
That is insane,
Yeah, bro.
bro.
That's how you know this shit's dirty. He's sad.
No way. That is crazy though. Sounds insane. It's loud as hell.
Alright, we're gonna close this video out. $2,000 mid-pipe. I think it was worth it. Some people say, why the hell would you do that? That's a waste of money. But personally, I think it was worth it. I love it. Car's lighter. We're moving. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.